Good afternoon from Bobblehead Homestead. I am Jeff. Today is Monday. It was 88, sunny, and pretty humid. Yeah, this is my normal. I'm filming on the phone. The microphone's right up there. And Fifi here just caught a, what'd you catch, Fifi? A little baby mouse. Yeah, so I decided to film that. I probably won't show it. Today is Monday. I was gonna do a video every single day in August, and I didn't get yesterday's video out before midnight, so I'm giving myself a mulligan and calling it close enough, and I'll be sure to get tonight's out before midnight. And that might happen again during this month, but I'll at least film every day. Fifi is distracting me. Alright, let's take a look around at what I was doing earlier. And I see number 2 has escaped. She found a nice, cool, shady spot. Even a soda next to her. Yeah, don't eat any of the broken glass or plastic over there, number 2. You've been here longer than I have. You know the routine, I'm sure. I don't think I pointed this out yet. That's Private Benjamin. Yeah, that's Private Benjamin. She's one of my older whiting true blue hens, and that is Private Benjamin's daughter, most likely. Looks just like her. Stand up a little bit so we can get a better view of your pretty beard. And oh, number 2 just hopped the fence. Those are elderberries. Do chickens like elderberries? Yes, chickens like elderberries. Oh, we even got Mary Tyler Moore. Hello, Mary Tyler Moore. You're adjusting well to your new flock. I appreciate that. Oh yeah, I showed you Private Benjamin's doppelganger. And yeah, Mary Tyler Moore just went around the corner. And that's like Mary Tyler Moore Jr. That's probably Mary's daughter. They are very similar. Yeah, except you've got a purple band. That's how I can tell you apart. Yeah, there's a lot of elderberries growing in their chicken run. Like those are still green. There's another one. Alright guys. I like leaving some for the birds, but that Rooster, who I haven't named yet, he's a whiting true blue, purebred blue egg breed. Yeah, what he's doing right there, making that noise, is alerting everybody that food. We got food. Did you hear him, number 2? He was calling you, telling you you got some food over there. I think that's another one of Private Benjamin's daughters also. I don't hatch their eggs individually. I put them all together, so I don't know who's the mother of which egg, but yep, and she went off to hide. That is most likely Private Benjamin's son. He is, should be a purebred whiting true blue, and Larry would be his father. They have the same feather coloring, and he's got the beard. See, I just had the 3 whiting true blue hens in with Larry, and Private Benjamin was the only one with the beard, so that gives me a clue as to who was the mother of whom. But yeah, he's got his own flock. He's in with other whiting true blues, like that lady, and he's also in with some of number 2's grandkids. So that'll be interesting. They've got Cress, he's got a beard, and he'll pass on the blue. See, he's trying to, yeah, you're trying to make little ones right now, aren't you, buddy? But yeah, Crest and a beard, and we'll see what happens when you try to combine the two. More elderberries, I do believe. And there, and there, and there. They're just growing wild all over this property. But those look ripe, so we're gonna give another flock a snack. They're not interested yet, but Dragonberry here, he's coming to check it out for him. Yep, and he gave the go, and here come all the ladies. They're hesitant to try it. They're waiting on their man to... What, am I standing too close? That's Dragonberry, the Welsomer. On the... And those 5 are all olive eggers. Or green eggers. They lay light green eggs, because a lot of them are back crosses. And yeah, they're not as excited about the elderberries, are you? Nobody in the Moran's flock is interested in their elderberries. You guys don't know what you're missing. I got 2 black copper Moran's roosters in here. And then there's 1 blue and 4 black copper Moran's hens. That white one is the leghorn. And then I got more Morans running around. There's another black and a splash one coming out of the coop. She doesn't like me, but I like her. Bob, I appreciate that you want to take a nap on the chair, but did you not see the eggs there, Bob? You just don't care. Bob has no manners. Now you're going to crack them, Bob. Dude, what do you think you're doing? Go on. Bob, now I don't know which ones are which. You ruined it, Bob. There you go, Bob. You can have your chair back now. I'm sorry I put eggs on your chair, buddy. Here is the fraternity boys flock, and over in there, that's the swampy area that floods every time we get a big rain. But that's where I've just got, seriously, tons and tons of elderberry is growing back there. Just enormous amounts. Yeah, somebody's gonna tell me you should go pick those and make, yeah. I ain't got time for all that. But if somebody around here wants to come and cut through the jungle to get the elderberry, you are more than welcome to. I do go out and pick what I can and give them to the chickens. So that's something. All right, boys. Yeah, most of them are. There's 17 boys in there, and they're pretty good about staying out of the heat. Did catching that mouse wear you out in this heat? Yeah. Fifi is so funny. She can just plop down and take a nap anywhere. And she's out too. You can walk right by her. She won't flinch usually. Well, I can. Yeah, you're a cutie, Fifi. First thing I'm loading is my drill. That'll make taking those vents down a lot easier. And it's got a battery pack on the drill. I've already got a charger. I have 2 chargers, so I can keep 1 charger here. And then I got my accessories for the drill and the light bulbs, which I reminded myself I needed to take down there. So yeah, now I can keep that drill in my toolbox and have it hopefully when I need it. Supervisor Bob. 5:45 p.m. I've got an empty Suburban, except for my tool chest and water jugs. But other than that, I've got 1 empty Suburban, and it's time to fill it up. It is now about 7:45, and I'm calling it loaded. About 10 of those tubs. Well, actually about 12 of those tubs. And then I threw some insulation, that's leftover insulation from my tiny cabin right here. And when we tear out the window in the kitchen and rebuild the wall, I'm going to need some insulation in there. So I went ahead, and Drew suggested I go ahead and bring some of it down. So that's not all of it. I've got more left. That looks like the window's like 5 foot by 5 foot. I think that'll take care of it. But we'll see once I get it down there. But yep, Suburban is loaded up and ready to go. All right, let's see if I can hold a selfie stick still while sitting and talking at the same time. That's a tough task for me. I'm gonna call it a day. Suburban is loaded, ready to go. Not sure if I'm gonna go down tomorrow. I'm definitely going down Wednesday. Probably be good for me to go down both days. I've got a load of Suburban, and I need to clean out some more of that shed, so I've got more places to put stuff. And I need to go to town, and Drew and I have a shopping list of stuff, so I'll probably go down tomorrow and then again on Wednesday. But I've decided I'm not going to spend the night this week. There's no air conditioning yet, so yeah, and no water yet. So hopefully I can get the air conditioning and water sorted out, and then I'll start spending the night more down there. Yeah, kind of it was a good day. Good day. I got to take some time in the afternoon to go, do some chicken watching, and that's always fun for me. Something else I like doing, which I never do enough, is like those elderberries. Just going around and picking snacks for them. I try to do that every day. I don't get to it every day. But there's a lot of stuff. They like the elderberries, just plain grass. They like the leaves from the lamb's quarter and those little American beauty berries. They like those leaves. They don't eat the berries, but they'll eat the leaves. And let's see, lamb's quarter, frostweed they'll eat. And I'll just pick it and throw it in there, and if they eat it, I'll give them more of it. So yeah. And that's, usually when I'm refreshing their water, I stop and grab some weeds for them too. And that's always a good thing for them. All right, that's all I got. Thanks again to Drew, Dutch Creek Cabin, for all his help yesterday, figuring out what it's going to take to get me moved. And thanks to all of you for all of your help. Just hundreds of you out there. I really do appreciate it. And I really am working towards something. Hopefully that comes across. All right, I'll stop yapping. Thanks for watching. Take her easy, everybody.